In 2017, EPA welcomed Victoria's first Chief Environmental Scientist, Dr. Andrea Hinwood, to the organisation. This marked a major milestone in our work to become a world-class science-led regulator. In the past 12 months, Andrea has made her mark, assisting EPA in achieving real environmental outcomes for the Victorian people.
There are a couple of things that I'm actually involved in. The first is trying to enhance the capability of EPA in its applied science so that it more effectively uses its science in decision making and, importantly, to inform regulatory decisions. In doing that, I'm doing a lot of work to try and look at the type of science we do, that we produce robust and valid information so that communities, businesses, industries have good information about their environment, about environmental issues, and importantly about those things that they can do to prevent both human health and environmental impacts. We've also started some projects to understand new and emerging issues such as per and polyfluoroalkylated substances, which are chemicals that have been used in a whole range of domestic products but also have been used in firefighting. We're finding them in the environment. So what does that mean? What concentrations are harmful? What sorts of advice should we provide to the community? So all of that sort of work is helping EPA in its regulatory role. As a science-based regulator, EPA has initiated a prioritisation process, and that means that we're going to gather information from a wide range of sources to try and have a look at what the emerging issues in the environment might be. We combine that with our existing monitoring information and the programs that we do on, say, emerging contaminants. We combine that with changes in industry, what's happening with climate, etc., to determine what are the important issues we should be focusing on in the future. We've also initiated an environmental science seminar series, which is a series of presentations which we make available to the community both in person and via online environment. And we've covered topics such as air pollution and health, emerging contaminants and children's vulnerability to environmental pollutants. We've run a session on green chemistry and also looking at solutions to waste problems.
EPA's strengthened scientific capabilities ensures Victoria is in the best position possible to tackle any environmental challenges that lie ahead.
Our applied science strategy talks about how we're going to enhance our monitoring, our capability with the type and nature of scientists that we have, and the information that we provide to the community. So we're focused on undertaking work and monitoring and advice that actually informs communities, businesses and industry about the underpinnings of the decisions that we make with respect to the environment. And that's all about a robust applied science capability.